The 10 Best Restaurants in Kazan, Russia, Traveler's Guide to Russia. As the Istanbul of Russia, where east meets west, it seems only fitting that the name Kazan means cooking pot in Tartar. Enjoy a taste of Kazan's culture through its cuisine at these 10 great restaurants. Perkrestokjaza. Taking a break from sightseeing in Kazan doesn't have to mean an end to the soaking up of culture. Perkrestokjaza, meaning crossroads of jazz, is located in the heart of Kazan's historic center, in the former home of famous Russian writer, Vasily Aksionov. A firm favorite among Kazan's young and fashionable crowd, this artsy venue offers live music every day. The summer veranda and chic decor enhance the fashionable atmosphere. The menu showcases an innovative approach to Russian classics, including dishes such as veal salad with a tasty chili kick, rabbit stuffed golubtsi, cabbage leaves, with foie gras, and river trout with seafood in a creamy, almond sauce. High standards of cooking are prioritized. Guests are able to observe chefs apply their expertise in the restaurant's kitchen, located behind a glass screen. If you have room left over after all that decadent food, don't miss the cherry strudel and ice cream dessert. Perkrestokjaza, Karla Marxa Street 5531st, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 919 686-69-28. Sultan Kebab. Be transported away to exotic Turkey by this restaurant's authentic take on the nation's cuisine. The food is unpretentious, with no frills and flourishes to distract from the succulent meat and barbecued flavors. But whatever Sultan Kebab lacks in refinement, it makes up for by its hearty portions and excellent value for money. Service is quick, so there's no long wait before dishes emerge sizzling and fresh from the grill. You can even watch your meat being cooked as these Turkish connoisseurs work their magic. Very few other places in Kazan offer such hearty food, at such low prices. Traditional Turkish tea is also available. Don't miss the pied Turkish pizza, and the saç kavurma, a juicy assortment of grilled treats. Sultan Kebab, Vamana Street 74, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 238 38-03. Priotkolestiaka. Here, at Priotkolestiaka, emphasis is placed on luxury. Everything about this place, the chic decor, the art features, the crisp tablecloths, the sea of stylish white furnishings, the glass paintings, the exquisite presentation, all scream European refinery and haute cuisine. The addition of fireplaces and candles make it a perfect choice for those wishing to spend a romantic evening in Russia's new capital of culture. The contemporary atmosphere fits harmoniously with the international menu, a fusion of food incorporating everything from sushi to spaghetti. The elegant and carefully crafted menu features delights such as duck breast in honey crust, sea scallops in wine sauce, filet mignon, and grilled trout. What's more, the deliciously smooth lattes here are some of the best coffee Kazan has to offer. For a truly gourmet experience, Priotkolestiaka has it all. Priotkolestiaka, Chernyshevskovo Street 27A, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 292-07-71. Dom Tartarskoye Kulinarii, House of Tartar Cuisine. Here diners can enjoy traditional Tartar cuisine in the comfort of the restaurant's plush environment. The luxury of the decor is reflected in the luscious food. Prices are high but thankfully matched by the levels of care and dedication put into each and every dish. Guests pay for the quality of their ingredients, and the resulting food is always impressive. Professional service and delicate presentation complete this refined experience. For those wishing to taste the best of what Tartar cuisine have to offer, look no further than Dom Tartarskoye Kulinarii. For the true Tartar experience, try the delicious ekpamuk pastries with goose and beef or the baelish pies, followed by succulent horse meat with stewed vegetables, and for dessert, the famous chukchuk, pastry coated in honeyed sugar syrup and often raisins or walnuts. Dom Tartarskoye Kulinarii, Vamana Street 3112, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 292-70-70. Rubai. Expect exotic spices and foreign flair from the dishes at this traditional Uzbek restaurant. Priding themselves on their authenticity, the food, as well as the Asian decor, Rubai transports diners to exotic, faraway lands. The restaurant's styling is colorful and the lively atmosphere lends a warm and pleasant feel to things. Uzbek cuisine is famed for its exquisite fusions of herbs and spices, and this Kazan restaurant does the tradition justice. Flavor fanatics should make Rubai the first stop on their culinary exploration of the city. Don't miss the hearty shurva broth, the deliciously tender Rubai lamb kebab, the lamb shank with roasted vegetables, and the traditional Uzbek rice dish of plov. Follow up this meal with one of Rubai's tempting selection of traditional fruit teas. Rubai, Profsoyuzhnaya Street 2312, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 259-64-64. Brown Bear Grill. The excellent location of this grill bar makes it a perfect stop-off during your exploration of Kazan. Hang out with the Kazan's trendiest residents in this American-inspired restaurant. Fun and retro decor gives this bar the feel of a traditional steakhouse. Authenticity has also been infused into the food here. Guests can enjoy familiar favorites such as gourmet burgers, sizzling steaks, crispy calamari rings, fried prawns, and racks of ribs. Quality ingredients, expert skills, and precise preparation ensure that these American classics don't leave diners feeling underwhelmed. The bar menu is also tempting and guests can sip away on Brown Bear's craft beers as they soak up the trendy and relaxed atmosphere. Brown Bear Grill, Pushkina Street 54/1, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 226 3066. Art Cafe. The central setting of Kazan's Art Cafe, by the Millennium Park, makes it the perfect choice for those seeking a short break from sightseeing and stunning architecture. Given the appealing nature of the menu, there really is no better place in the heart of the city for travelers to refuel. The stylish decor gives this cafe an expensive aura, but prices are in fact pleasingly low. The comfy seating and informal atmosphere make Art Cafe an ideal place to relax. A wide-ranging menu serves up great lunches at affordable prices. The breakfast menu is impressive too, offering up many different options, both traditionally Russian, and typically Western. The warm and nourishing kasha, porridge, is our recommendation to keep intrepid travelers fueled all day long. Whether you're in search of a hearty kickstart to the day, or a light midday bite, Art Cafe can provide for all. Art Cafe, Ostrovskovo Street 38, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 236-61-44. Kazan Askanchai Yurti. Although the name is a mouthful, at Kazan Askanchai Yurti at least that mouthful is guaranteed to be a tasty one of traditional Tatar food. This canteen serves up authentic local cuisine, but without the eye-watering prices of Dom Tatarskoy Kulinarii. For local flavor at affordable prices, make an immediate beeline for this Tartar canteen. Hearty dishes, in generous portions, are lovingly made by locals, for the locals. The emphasis here is on familiar Tartar favorites and home cooking. Despite its popularity, the service here is always rapid thanks to the canteen setup. Diners need not sit suffering, smelling the fragrant dishes wafted past, while they wait for their food to arrive. For the most authentic experience, opt for the ekpamuk pastries, cabbage and bacon, or gubadia with raisins and sweet rice. The canteen's central location, near the Kremlin and metro station Plashad Tukaya, makes it incredibly convenient for a quick refuel during a tiring day exploring this magnificent city. Bomina Street 64, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia. Hinkalnaya. This Georgian gem offers diners a fantastically cultural setting, located just a few streets from the staggering beauty of Kazan's Kremlin. Visit Hinkalnaya for a true taste of Georgia and understand why this nation's cuisine has proved so popular with Russians over the years. So well loved here that it has practically become seen as traditionally Russian in itself. Georgian cooking has fragrant meat and vegetable dishes, with punchy flavors. The culinary expertise of the chefs here, and high-quality ingredients, mean that this restaurant showcases only the best of what Georgia has to offer. The fine dining experience is complemented by Hinkalnaya's chic decor and ambient lighting. Traditional delicacies include kakapuri cheese breads and wonderfully lean lamb shashliks, kebabs. Universitetskaya Street 14, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 236-55-77. Bilyar. Another of Kazan's traditional Tatar places to eat, the main attraction of Bilyar is its delightfully authentic atmosphere. A truly Tatar experience is created by the rustic decor which gives the restaurant the feeling of a peasant's hut. Natural materials, soft lighting and wooden furniture, all work together to create Bilyar's charming ambience. The Tatar music and Tatar waiters ensure that every part of the dining experience here is authentic. A whole host of local treats are available at great value for money. Plates are piled high with the warm, nourishing secrets of Tatar home cooking. For those travelers feeling more intrepid, local favorites such as horse meat and horse milk are on offer, and particularly raved about. But otherwise, we'd recommend the ekpamaks, or Ilesh duck pastries, both served with a warming broth. The lamb shurpa soup, and manti dumplings, are also particularly good. Traditional Russian specialties feature too on the diverse menu at Bilyar, with classic dishes such as mushroom julienne, and salad olivier. Bilyar, Budalrava Street 31, Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia, +7 843 264-65-65.